Na singer, very talented, at napakasarap din magluto. Ayan, ng laing, lalo na. Siyempre, welcome po sa book launch ng kanyang My Farewell Slam Book with Scrapbook. Ayan. So, ayan yung ating mga kaibigan mula sa vlogging industry. Marisa, ayan.
Kanta mo na doon ang uhaw.
Kaka? So, sila yung ating mga bago na, no? Mga print media, ngayon mga vloggers na. And I'm sure syempre gusto natin i-welcome isang malaking karangalan na makita natin at makadaupang palad ang isa sa tinitingala ng mga writers, napakahusay ding host. Siyempre, ang kanyang tumataginting na tawa, hindi natin makakalimutan yan. Ayan. Miss Julia Abdasa. Diba? Glamorosa pa din. Ayan. Siyempre, pabatiin muna natin si Miss Marisa.
First of all, this wouldn't be possible kung wala po ang isang Ogie Diaz. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Si Ogie kasi is the kind of person na hindi siya demonstrative, hindi siya showy. Pero malalaman mo lang na mahal ka niya pag pinag-aaksayan ka niya ng mga ganitong paraan. And I'm really grateful, pare, sa ginawa mong, sa ginawa mong pagtulong sa akin para for this to be possible. Itong book launch,
and I congratulate you on this unusual step of publishing. So my question would be, how many copies should one family have? If there are five, father, mother, and 3 children, do you need 5 copies?
I think nilang it's more of a choice. Parang if they don't want, you can't, it doesn't matter because this is an individual decision.
But you know, of all people in the world, I wouldn't think that you would think of something like this. You're really a surprise and a unique character in showbiz. You conduct yourself in English and Tagalog. You're funny. You're a singer. You're an actor. You're a mother. You're a single mother. So there are many facets to your personality. But this book is not you. No, it's not you. So it shows us a completely different facet to your personality. You just revealed yourself as a diamond with many facets. So keep it up. But next book, I want you to write something happy and romantic.